Hello, this is Ada Liu from Super Star CNC. Super Star is a manufacturer of CNC router. We have more than 18 years experience. Super Star CNC starting from 2003. Our products including wood CNC router, stone CNC router, plasma cutting machine, CO2 laser machine, fiber laser machine. Also, we have glass cutting machine. All our products pass CE certificate. Right now, we have export to many countries, European, Asian, Africa, and America. We have over 12 countries, warehouse, and agents. We're also looking forward to your cooperation in the near future. Right now, beside me, this machine is an ATC CNC Router. It is mainly used for panel furniture making, for cutting the furniture board. It has 12 tools, the linear tools holder, and the machine motor import from Japan Yaskawa, and the system from Taiwan LNC. Also, all the configuration can design as your request. Now we have a new industry park. It has 500,000 square meters. Our sales team, over 200 persons. Also, we have professional after-sales service team. So we deserve your trust. Looking forward to Superstar. Thank you.